Guys, check out this sleek water flosser by Oclean that you can take with you to work or school or wherever. But is it really all that good? Let's talk about it. Alright, so today I'll be going over the Oclean Airpump Waterflosser. I'll go over the specs and features, show you guys how it works, and then I'll tell you what I think of it. So before I get started, I want to establish a really important piece of information here, and that is water flossing does not replace traditional flossing. Apparently some people may disagree, even some dental hygienists, which is kind of alarming to me, but from personal experience, without fail, all the patients that I've seen that use a water flosser alone to clean in between their teeth have some form of gingivitis or inflammation of the gums, bleeding, plaque buildup, possibly even periodontal disease, which is just a later stage in the process of inflammation. So again, just please hear me on this. Water flossing is not a replacement to traditional flossing. It is a great tool in addition to your regular home care routine, especially in certain instances like if you have ortho or some localized deeper pockets or your gums just need a little bit extra stimulation. Okay, so let's take a look. So this water flosser comes in two colors. It's got a nice mint green color as well as white. And the package comes with the flosser body, obviously, and then it comes with two tips. One is just a regular tip here, and then there's the ortho tip. And the ortho tip is kind of cool. If you can see this, it actually is like a little brush. So this is great, again, if you're in ortho, because let's face it, flossing can be really annoying in braces. That being said, this ortho tip is probably a great tool for the majority of people who are in braces and just don't have the patience for full-on flossing every single night. And then of course it comes with a little Type-C charger here. So all of this goes for about $60 US. Spoiler alert, stay tuned for a discount code. Now, a couple of features. So obviously this is waterproof, as I say obviously, but some dental products are not waterproof. So this is waterproof. It's portable, unlike a lot of other water flossers that are super bulky. You have to keep them on your bathroom counter. You can't really take them with you anywhere. And then it has just one single button, and it's not this. The button is right on the corner here, or on the side right here. And it serves as the on-off button and also to toggle through 3 different modes, including the standard mode, soft mode, and massage or extra soft mode. Now, the water reservoir is right in here. You can kind of see the water level here. And although it's small to support the compact size of this water flosser, it is enough to get you through one cleaning session without having to refill. The battery on this can last up to 40 days on the extra soft or massage setting. And a cute little secret, well, it's not really a secret, but say you're using this after lunch at work or something, and you water flossed and everything, what you can do is you take the tip off, and into the reservoir, the empty reservoir, stick the tip, and now you can just kind of throw this in your bag. I bet your water flosser can't do that if you have one. Now, a small suggestion, if you do take this traveling, once you're home for the day, I would recommend, taking the tip out and opening the reservoir and just kind of setting it on your counter to let it air dry. Technically, this is mold and mildew resistant, but I just say better safe than sorry. Air dry your water flosser just to extend the longevity and cleanliness of your product. Now, the biggest selling point for this water flosser, aside from the portability, is it actually uses air pump technology to force the water out. Most water flossers just kind of jet the water out with a motor, but this water flosser actually combines air and water in spurts to achieve a gentler but more effective clean. So that's all the specs and features. Now let me show you guys how it works. Okay, so first of all, I fill up the reservoir. I'm a little bougie, I use filtered water. But anyway, then I place the tip in my mouth first and then turn it on. Then to toggle through the different modes, you just long press the power button while the flosser is turned on to figure out which mode you like best. Now pause for a second. Notice how when I was toggling through the modes, I kept the tip in my mouth. If you guys want to avoid a mess, I recommend you do the same. With this model, in order to toggle through the different modes, the water flosser needs to be on. I found this to be a little bit inconvenient. I've used other water flossers that allow you to toggle through the modes while it's turned off. It's not a deal breaker. I mean, technically you kind of need to see how each mode feels on your teeth anyway, but that's something I noticed. So just FYI, make sure to keep the tip in your mouth when you toggle through the different modes. All right, let's continue. So I just move the flosser from area to area between each tooth, and then I move to the other arch. And when I'm done, I just turn it off, empty any remaining water, which shouldn't be much, if any at all. And then I take the tip off and store it in the reservoir for next time. By the way, if you guys are finding this video helpful so far, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos about teeth. So now that you guys have seen how this works, the question is, what are my thoughts on it? Is it really more thorough and more gentle than traditional water flossers? Well, personally, after using it a couple of times and trying out the different modes, I honestly found it to be a little bit more thorough than I did gentle. I've definitely used some traditional water flossers that delivered a more gentle spray of water. I get that the combination of air and water together allows for a deeper clean, but it didn't feel as gentle as I expected or as I've experienced with other traditional water flossers in the past. I'm a little bit confused by this because in their press kit they do mention that 99% of users, based on third-party testing, found it to be more gentle on the gums. So maybe it's just my mouth. But anyway, that's my take on it. I think it's certainly a very innovative, compact design. If you guys decide to try this, you can use the discount code GENTLECARE for $10 off. And I would love to hear your thoughts on the gentler aspect. Will you find it more gentle on the gums? Try it for yourself and come back and tell me. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care of your teeth.